Welcome to our deep dive into the world of IP ratings, ingress protection, an essential aspect of electrical safety. Whether you're an industry expert or just curious homeowner, understanding IP ratings is crucial for choosing the right electrical equipment, ensuring durability and maintaining safety standards. IP rating or ingress protection codes describe how well an electrical enclosure is sealed against foreign bodies and moisture. In the UK, BS 7671 IET wiring regulations utilise these ratings to classify protection levels against solids like dust and liquids like water. The basics of understanding IP ratings. Each IP rating consists of two numbers. The first number indicates protection against solid objects, like dust. Second number indicates protection against liquids, like water. The IP rating codes and their meanings. Some examples here. IPX4, no protection against solids, but offers protection against water splashed from any direction. IP44, protection against solid objects over 1 millimeter and water splashed from any direction. IP65, dust tight protection and protection against water jets from any direction. IP67, dust tight and temporary submersion in water under specified conditions. Choosing the right equipment. Selecting the correct IP rating is vital for ensuring that electrical equipment is suitable for its environment. Here are some key considerations. Wet areas. These require higher protection against water ingress. Dusty environments. These require higher protection against solid ingress, like sawdust. Some practical tips for selecting the right IP rating. Assess the environment. Understand and specific risks such as water exposure or dust levels. Consult the regulations. Refer to BS 7671 and other relevant standards. Consider future changes. Think about potential changes that might affect the required IP rating. At Bright Spark Electrical Services, we're based in Tunbridge, Tunbridge Wells, Sevenoaks and Crowborough. We pride ourselves in adhering to IP ratings. As NIC, EIC approved contractors with over 21 years of experience, we ensure every installation meets the highest safety standards. Our commitment to safety. Expert consultation. We offer advice on selecting the right equipment. Compliance with standards. Strict adherence to BS 7671. Quality assurance. Precision and care in installations ensure safety and reliability. Understanding IP ratings is essential for the safety and longevity of electrical equipment. By selecting the right IP rating, you can protect against potential hazards and comply with safety regulations. Actionable steps for you. Review your equipment. Check the IP ratings of your installations and equipment to be installed. You can find it on the packet, on the instructions, or even stamped onto the product. Consult an expert. Seek advice if unsure from qualified electricians like ourselves at Bright Spark. Stay informed. Keep up to date with regulations and technologies. We are constantly checking, and with new quotations and installations we ensure that the materials have the correct IP rating suited to their needs. Unsure how to proceed or what to purchase or even look for? Then give us a call on the number below or pop us over an email. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel, and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.